Alright, this is episode 7, and I'm gonna name this one Butt Stuff, Schooners, and Hurricanes. And you'll find out why. I'm on a mission to completely redo the head. So it's mid-September now, and it's quite gloomy, which is atypical for Southern California at this time of year. And that is because Hurricane K has been making its way up the Baja Peninsula and is just outside of the Channel Islands right now. So we got lots of rain, lots of wind, very atypical for this time of year. And later on in the day, once I'm done with this boat work, I'm gonna go on a 110-foot schooner and go sailing. So that'll be fun. Alright, this floor is awesome. I'm super happy with it. I can stand anywhere on this floor and it doesn't give at all. I can stand in the corners, I can stand over here, I can stand all the way over here, and it's just rock solid. Best of all, the tilt is that way and that way, so all of the water is going to accumulate over there once I put a shower in here. Now, the question becomes, where does the toilet go? And I think I'm gonna put it right there, facing midship. So let me put this mock toilet that I have more or less here. Yeah, here we go. So there's gonna be a ledge like this, and then this is gonna be more or less squatting height. So this is what it's gonna look like when you're on the loo, just like this. Not bad. And then there's all this room over here on the side for the holding tank and the sink and everything. So I think that's how we're gonna do it. Oh, and I think that that is enough butt stuff for this video. Now, let's go chase some hurricanes and schooners. So Hurricane K developed just off of the southern tip of Baja and has made its way all the way up north and is just outside of San Diego right now. So you can see the remnants of Hurricane K. It's now Tropical Storm K, and we're gonna go out sailing in that weather. Right, adventure mode on. Sam, you ready to go sail that schooner? No. No? No. I am.
I should have been when I.
You left your food in here.
Bum bum bum.
We're on a journey.
Yeah, are you excited? I'm excited.
I'm so excited. And today was Nixon Day, and now we're transitioning to San Clemente Day?
Dana Point Harbor.
Dana Point Harbor.
Is that where we're going?
We're gonna sail a 110-foot schooner.
I'm ready. Thumbs up.
All right, let's do this.
Are we gonna sail it? Just me, you, and Samantha?
No. Yeah, we're taking it out. It's a private charter.
Did we rent it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish.
All right.
I gotta say, the Dana Point Maritime Festival was pretty cool. Everybody had a genuine passion for the age of sail. People were dressed as pirates, captains, and mermaids. Some of the hardier folks slept in traditional canvas tents on the grass during the rain. That's pretty enthusiastic. At first I was a little apprehensive that the Irving Johnson would be gimmicky, but it was a legitimate vessel with a live-aboard crew that maintains all of the rigging in the traditional way. The Irving Johnson also has a sister ship, the Irving Johnson. Both are owned by the Los Angeles Maritime Institute and are used to fulfill many missions to society. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in that.
No, you're supposed to hit your hands out. Yeah, there you go. Now it's Titanic. Hey, look, seagull with a pelican. Look, they're flying together. They're buddies. Oh, maybe not. They took a different turn. Look at my dad.
The starboard passengers were responsible for hauling the throat halyard attached to the gaff with a 6-to-1 purchase, so we had to haul many yards of rope. Haul yards of rope. Haul yards. Halyard.
People got a shower.
Oh, and the mainsail was packing a lot of water, which soaked some of the nearby passengers as it was hoisted. The folks over on port are hauling the peak halyard, which hoists the head of the mainsail straight up the mast. Yeah, it's got like 2 halyards, one for the spar and one for the head. Together we hoist the main and one of the official crew ties off the halyards. Then somebody makes easy work of the staysail. Most of the sails were hoisted by the time we rounded the jetty. Once in open waters, we were greeted by the remnants of Tropical Storm K. 6-foot swells were routine, with some of the larger waves reaching 8 feet tall. I have to admit, I've never been on a sailing vessel this large, and it was amazing to recognize the gentle motion of the boat through the water, similar to mine, but with a much larger displacement. The whole experience was awesome, and I highly recommend it. But just as things were getting comfortable, the scallywags aboard the Bill of Rights opened cannon fire upon us. Before we knew it, our crew was passing head sails as we tacked through the wind. Motor sailing, of course, and we returned volley for almost 2 hours with cannon blanks. Oh my god.
Oh, look, we got a hole in our sail.
Woohoo! The crew really made this event special. One of them was on gap year from England before joining the Navy. There were also the 2 lively spirits manning the cannons. After the show, they both had black soot all over their hands and faces. Their enthusiasm was definitely contagious. I'll probably be in touch with this crew in the future. The Irving Johnson exudes some of the qualities that we would like to adopt in our future adventures. But in between adventures, we still have a lot to prepare if we're going to cruise Baja at the turn of the year.